Greetings to you, Committee of European Development Day 2015, and greetings to you pretty face watching this video on my channel on YouTube. My name is Erna Leka and I'm project coordinator in MIAFT movement. I'm holding this project since 1 year, probably not almost 1 year, but this project is happening in Albania since 2 years ago, and it's like to denounce corruption within public universities in Albania. Our methodology is like pretty huge one because we are trying to hold public debates within each public university in Albania, and then some questionnaires, and then some focus groups and whatever. It requires to produce some good research at the end of the project. But now, okay, I don't want to speak a lot about myself because it's pretty strange for me because the room is empty and nobody is here to share or to give feedback about what I'm saying. But anyway, I hope that you will understand that I'm trying to be a bit serious for this video. Let's say that this project is at the half of it and we are expecting to finish it within 6 months, and I see that the June 4th and 5th of June would be a great day to present whatever is happening till that day in the Brussels event. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope that we will see and meet each other soon so that I can express more and more what is left without saying here. Thank you.